Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 2259105. This is by Umarex. This is a Walther tactical folding knife. It's a multi-tool. It's black and has a 3.2-inch blade. This particular item comes with 9 bits, a serrated blade, a fine edge blade, a glass breaker, pliers, wire cutters, bottle opener, can opener, and a screwdriver. I'm going to take this out of the box here for you so you can get a good look. This item also comes with a sheath, which I'm about to hold up for you. Now if you open this up, there's a tiny little compartment right there that holds your bits, which I'm going to pull out for you. We'll pull the knife out next and show you the rest of the other items that come along with it. As you can see, it says Walther right there on the blade. Push that down. It allows you to be able to retract. These would be your pliers and wire cutters. These would be your bottle openers and can opener, screwdrivers and everything. This would be the attachment where you would put this on and then be able to attach these for use.